how to insert the number of figures in an automatic technique. So let's see, this is for example a figure. Right click over here and click on the insert caption. Now a window will open, figure 1. Give a name to it, for example sustainable buildings. Make it OK. Now this figure is also referred in the text as well. This is the manual, and now suppose I want to make it automatic. So go to the insert, cross reference, and select the figure from this one. Insert as a hyperlink, and there are different options: entire caption, only label and number. Select the only label and number and make it insert. So now you can see that figure 1 has been inserted over here, and there is a hyperlink over here. Now click on it by control button of the keyboard and left hand mouse button. It will take you to the figure number 1. So let's see. Now you can see the benefit of this automatic is it will take you to the actual position of the figure. I hope it is easier for you. If you like it, please also like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.